Hello, welcome at 10 Commandments for Stock Investment YouTube channel. Analyzing Exxon Mobil's unusual options activity. Exxon Mobil, NYSE, XOM, shares experienced unusual options activity on Wednesday. The stock price moved down to $59.90 following the option alert. By Benzinga, July 15, 2021. Sentiment, bearish. Option type, sweep. Trade type, call. Expiration date, September 17, 2021. Strike price, $65. Volume, 26,865. Open interest, 24,415. 3 signs of unusual options activity. Exceptionally large volume, compared to historical averages, is one reason for which options market activity can be considered unusual. The volume of options activity refers to the number of contracts traded over a given time period. Open interest is the number of unsettled contracts that have been traded but not yet closed by either counterparty. In other words, open interest represents the quantity of contracts that individual parties have written but not yet found a counterparty for, i.e. a buyer finding a seller, or a seller finding a buyer. The trading of a contract with an expiration date in the distant future is another sign of unusual activity. Generally, additional time until a contract expires increases the potential for it to reach its strike price and grow its time value. Time value is important in this context because it represents the difference between the strike price and the value of the underlying asset. Contracts that are out of the money are also indicative of unusual options activity. Out-of-the-money contracts occur when the underlying price is under the strike price on a call option, or above the strike price on a put option. These trades are made with the expectation that the value of the underlying asset is going to change dramatically in the future, and buyers and sellers will benefit from a greater profit margin. Understanding sentiment. Options are bullish when a call is purchased at /near ask price or a put is sold at /near bid price. Options are bearish when a call is sold at /near bid price or a put is bought at /near ask price. Although the activity is suggestive of these strategies, these observations are made without knowing the investor's true intentions when purchasing these options contracts. An observer cannot be sure if the bettor is playing the contract outright or if they're hedging a large underlying position in a common stock. For the latter case, the exposure a large investor has on their short position in common stock may be more meaningful than bullish options activity. Using these strategies to trade options. Unusual options activity is an advantageous strategy that may greatly reward an investor if they are highly skilled. God is good, all the time. All the time, God is good.